Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. Today's story is about going to the vegetable market with my mother. Let's begin! Sarah, are you ready? We need to go to the market. Yes, Mom, I am almost ready. Just 1 minute. We need tomatoes, potatoes, onions, carrots, and cucumbers today. Please hurry, Sarah. The market gets busy in the morning. I love buying fresh vegetables with you, Mom. Okay, I'm coming now. Let's go. Mom, what vegetables do we need? Tell me again, please.
Tomatoes for salad, potatoes for curry, onions for everything, and carrots for soup.
What about cucumbers? I really like cucumbers, Mom.
Yes, cucumbers too. We can buy them for salad. Good idea. Do you have your bag and some money, Sarah?
Yes, Mom. I have my bag and money. Let's go.
Lock the door, please. We don't want to leave it open.
Sure, Mom. 1 moment. Okay, the door is locked now.
I like walking with you, Mom. We can talk and learn new things.
Yes, walking is a great time to talk. So, what is your favorite vegetable? My favorite vegetable is carrot. It's crunchy and sweet.
Good choice. Carrots are very healthy for your eyes. Many people don't like it, but it is very healthy for you.
Yes, that's true. Maybe I should try it again someday. Mom, how far is the market from here?
About 10 minutes. Just walk straight, not too far.
Wow, the market is so busy today.
So many people. Mornings are always busy. Families buy fresh vegetables here.
I can see so many colorful vegetables. They look beautiful. And the smell of fresh tomatoes and herbs is wonderful.
Good morning! Fresh tomatoes today. Would you like some?
Good morning. Yes, please. How much for 1 kilogram?
1 kilogram is 200 rupees. Very fresh.
Okay, give me 1 kilogram, please.
Here is the money, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now we need potatoes. Let's go to that stall over there.
Okay, Mom. I see the potato stall. Let's go. Hello. How much are the potatoes today?
Hello. Potatoes are 150 rupees per kilogram.
Okay, thank you. How many kilograms should we buy, Mom?
Maybe 2 kilograms. We need them for curry and fries.
Yes, 2 kilograms, please. That will be enough.
Here you go. 2 kilograms of fresh potatoes.
Now we need onions.
We use them every day. Yes, onions are in almost every dish we cook.
Now we need onions. We use them every day.
Onions are 250 rupees per kilogram today. Very fresh.
Okay, give me 1 kilogram, please.
And half kilogram of garlic, please. We need that too.
Sure. Here is your garlic and onions.
Garlic smells so strong but makes food tasty.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Come again.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Sure. Here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mom, look at the carrots. So orange and shiny.
They are, dear, so fresh. Yes, they look very healthy.
Fresh spinach! Come get your greens!
We also need spinach.
Fresh spinach. 2 bundles for 100. Fresh greens today?
Okay, give me 2 bundles.
You got it. Here you go.
Thank you.
Mom, can we buy coriander leaves? Mom, can we get some coriander too?
Yes, coriander adds flavor. We can buy some here.
Fresh coriander.
Thank you.
We have almost everything. We have tomatoes, peppers, and greens. Do we need anything else?
I think that's everything.
Here you go.
Maybe fruits. Can we buy bananas?
Yes, bananas are healthy. Let's get some bananas and apples. Good idea.
Great. I love apples. What fruits do you like the most?
I love strawberries and peaches.
Ooh, good choices.
I like apples, bananas, and mangoes. Mangoes are my favorite. Mango season is the best, right, Mom?
Yes, mango season is wonderful.
Hello, how much for bananas?
Hello, they are 40 rupees a dozen.
Great, I'll take 2 dozen.
1 dozen for 200.
Okay, 1 dozen, please.
You got it. Anything else?
Apples, please. 1 kilogram.
Of course, the best ones.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Yes, and I practiced English too.
Oh, really? That's wonderful.
Yes, and I practiced English too.
Oh, really? That's wonderful.
Yes, and I practiced English too.
Here you go.
They look perfect. Good. Learning is fun when we do things together.
Yeah, it really is.
Yes, but we are almost done. Let's go home now.
Okay, Mom. Mom, the bags are heavy.
Oh, let me help you with that.
I really enjoyed the market today. I learned so much.
What did you learn, Sarah?
So many things about the fruits and spices.
I'm so proud of you, Sarah.
Thanks, Mom. I learned vegetable names, prices, and about seasons.
Very good. Learning is fun when we do it together.
And I practiced English with the vendors too.
That's wonderful, Sarah. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for taking me to the market, Mom. I love spending time with you.
I hope you enjoyed learning English with me today. Eat fresh vegetables and stay healthy. Please subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. Goodbye!